Today I'm going to show you how to make akara. If you are interested in this recipe, stay tuned and watch. My name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Firstly, soak your beans for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour it into the blender and use the pause button for 8 to 10 times to peel off the skin of the beans. When you are done with that, transfer it into a bowl and save like so. So as you can see, the beans is so clean now. So the next step is to blend the beans. But firstly, I use my small food processor to blend the beans coarsely before I transfer it into the blender. Reason is that to help the blender, and again, because it's akara needs little or no water to blend it. Okay, so what I use here to blend it is just very little amount of water, because we need that thick paste. So after that, I transfer it into a bowl. So here is the process where you need your hand mixer or stand mixer or your hand whisk or mortar, anyone you prefer. Here I'm using hand whisk to whisk the batter, just to incorporate air into the beans and to make it fluffy, of course. So after, I'm going to slice these peppers and onions and add it to the batter. Once everything is added, add a little salt and mix all together. Yes, the batter is looking good. So the next thing now is to fry. Heat up your pan and pour in some oil. I use these onions I remained. Please, this is optional. Scoop in your butter and allow it to fry. Flip to the both sides so that they can fry equally. When you are okay with the color, you can scoop it out. Then repeat the process until you finish your batter. Please, if you like this video, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a beautiful comment down below, okay? All the ingredients will be inside the description box. When akara is done, it can be paired with anything. It can be paired with akamu, pap, as you can see, or it can be paired with oatmeal, as you can see too. So what do you like to take your akara with? Tell me in the comment section, okay? Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.